This is Zero the painter. Today he is going to show us Frida Kahlo in 6 mind-blowing styles. 6 different styles of portrait, each one as different as a fingerprint, reflecting her complex personality and profound impact on art and culture. Each piece tells a different story and a different style. Well, it looks like Zero is ready to go. So let's get started. First up is Frida Smiles, showing Frida captured in a moment of pure joy. Her smile radiates warmth like the sun had kissed her skin. The vibrant colors flow and surround her, echoing her laughter and gentle spirit. If we look closely at her eyes, we see resilience and love. Now let's dive into Frida on the beach. Imagine a serene beach at sunset. Frida after a long day of swimming and painting. The waves are softly crashing and the gulls are flapping. Zero uses blues and sandy tones to create a tranquil atmosphere. Imagine your toes in the sand and the breeze brushing your face. Next up, we have Style 3, Classic Oil Frida. This Frida showcases a classic oil painting style. Frida is depicted as solemn, quiet, and reserved. This is a testament to her classic beauty. Next up is Color Pencil Frida. It's a blend of fragility and power, just like Frida. A story revealing her inner struggles, thought, and emotions. The softness of the colors reflects her vulnerability, while the bold lines showcase her strength. It's a blend of fragility and power, just like Frida herself. Next, let's pop into Pop Art Frida. This version bursts with color and energy, capturing the essence of modern art. Bright yellows, electric green, and hot pinks collide in a playful homage to her iconic image. Frida's spirit shines through in every vibrant detail, celebrating her as a cultural icon. It's a lively tribute that captures her fearless attitude and enduring legacy in a world that thrives on bold expression. Welcome to Bubblegum Frida. This version is about playfulness, modern times, and joy. Bright pinks and blues create a fantasy where Frida blows bubbles that float into the sky. Each bubble holds a dream, a piece of the imagination. It's a celebration of childlike wonder that never left her. In these 6 styles, we uncover the many layers of Frida Kahlo. Each piece tells a different story, reflecting her complex personality and profound impact on art and culture. Frida continues to inspire us to embrace our true selves and express our emotions unapologetically. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Oh hey, there he is. Maybe Zero is going to share some profound wisdom.